In this video lesson, we will learn about fractions. Let's observe how they are split into equal parts. The block on top is one whole, the next one is split into two equal parts, then 3, then 4, then 5. This whole shape can be broken down into a wide variety of equal parts, and fractions help us label those smaller parts of the whole. Let's break this down so we can start understanding fractions. They represent a part of a whole. In this example, we have how many parts of the whole shaded. Pause until you've written down your answer. That's right, 1 out of 3 parts are shaded, meaning 1/3 is shaded. But what does this fraction mean? We know this is 1/3. The numerator is on top and represents the number of shaded parts of the whole. And the denominator is on the bottom and represents the total number of equal parts. So the numerator is the number of shaded parts and the denominator is the total number of equal parts. Let's keep practicing. How many portions are shaded and how many equal parts are there total? Pause until you write down your fraction. If you guessed 2/4, you did guess somewhat correctly. But what else does 2/4 look like when looking at the shaded versus non-shaded regions? Pause here to take your guess. 2/4 can be simplified into 1/2. You can divide the fractions by 2 because that is a common denominator. And you can see how the shaded regions equal half of the total equal squares. Let's move on. Pause here and write down this fraction. If you got 3/5, you're correct. 3 equal parts of the 5 total are shaded, making this fraction 3/5. Can this fraction be simplified? Pause here to talk about why or why not. No, this fraction cannot be simplified because 3 and 5 do not have any common denominators. Make some other fractions with these shapes. There are many more options and have some fun playing around with it. If you liked this video lesson, find us on social media.